Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial video for today. So today I'm going to discuss something very important in the promotion of our business and our products. So today in the social media marketing world or digital marketing or online marketing, one of the best features of in social media, particularly Facebook, is the use of Messenger or Facebook Messenger. Like for example, if you try to visit an e-commerce website of some other people or maybe some other entrepreneurs, you can find there a Facebook Messenger logo on the bottom part, and there is like a welcome message that popped up and ask you if you have question, you can send them a message. So that is how the Facebook Messenger works. If you put it or if you integrate it in your website. So this is one of the best feature that we can use also in our affiliate website because we set a program wherein we can now link our own Facebook page messenger to our affiliate website. What is the advantages of this one? Because the moment you put effort in promoting your website and visitors or your friends started to visit your website, automatically your website will have now the capacity to capture your leads or your prospects through your Facebook Messenger directly to your own Facebook Messenger. So this is very, very helpful in growing our online business with the end world. So now I'm going to show you how to integrate your Facebook page messenger to your own affiliate website. Okay, so in this particular tutorial, I'm going to use my own personal website and my own personal Facebook page so that I can teach you how to integrate it to our website. Before anything else, I would like you to see how your website looks like without this integration. So like this one, this is my e-commerce store link. So once I click my e-commerce store link, you cannot find any messenger logo or something that pops up, right? So this is what we are going to do to integrate my Facebook page messenger to my affiliate website so that once I'm done doing it, you can also do the same to your own. So now, the first thing that we are going to do is we need to go to our Facebook page. So this is my own Facebook page that I'm going to integrate to my affiliate website. You can choose any page that you want. And again, we can only integrate a Facebook page messenger, not our own personal messenger. Okay? So there is a difference between a page and your personal account. So we can only integrate our Facebook page messenger to our website. So when you are already in your page, you just go to settings, and once you are already in the setting menu, you just click messaging, and once you are already in the messaging section, add messenger to your website, then click get started, then follow the instruction, just click next. Then here you can see a default welcome message. You can change it, it's up to you. Okay, then after that you just click next, and you can also change the color of your messenger if you want. Then you just click next. Then as you can see here, there is what we need to add the domain of our website so that the program will work. So what we are going to do is we need to go to our website. You just copy the main. You just need to click the main, highlight the main website of our affiliate website. You just copy that one, then go back here. Then after that, you just paste it. Okay, it appears already. Then you just click save. Why we need to do this? So that the program in our website will identify that your page is integrating, okay, to our website so that it will be recognized. So that's the technical explanation on that one. Then after that, you just click finish, then done. So that's how simple to set up. But that's not the last part because we need to copy the Facebook ID of our page. So what you are going to do is go back to the home page of your Facebook page. Then once you are already in the home page, you just click about, and once you are in the about section of your page, you can find here page ID. You just copy this one. After you copy that, you go to the dashboard in our RichGen University website. So if you are in the dashboard in our RichGen University website, on the last menu, you can find here FB Messenger. You just click that one and you can see here FB page ID. What you are going to do is just simply paste the one that you have copied here. You just paste it here, then you just click save. So once you're done saving your Facebook page ID in our dashboard, your messenger is now finally integrated to our or to your particular affiliate website. So to double check if we successfully integrated your Facebook page messenger to your affiliate website, you just visit again your link. You just click this one and that's it. You see already this particular Facebook Messenger logo appeared and the pop-up message. So this is how to integrate our Facebook page messenger to our affiliate website. Okay, so I hope that you learned the process and you applied it in your own affiliate website so that you can start integrating your Facebook page messenger to your website and start capturing leads and prospects in your website through your Facebook messenger. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. See you in our next video.